Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can fix the WhatsApp 6-digit not receiving problem. So for that, you just need to install the WhatsApp and update it from the Play Store on the device. After that, you need to go to the settings and here you will find the apps option. Tap on it, tap on the app management. You'll find the SMS option here, or if you don't find that, on the top you will see the search bar. Tap on it and you can search your message. Once you tap on message, you need to tap on the message notification, and if it is toggle off, then you to tap on it and toggle on to turn on the notification of messages. Go back and then you need to search on WhatsApp here again. After that, you need to tap on the force stop you can see over on the bottom of the screen. After that, you will see the storage users option. Tap on it and tap on the clear cache option. Go back and you need to tap on the permission to allow all the apps permission. Here you can see that location and SMS apps permission is not allowed, so tap on it and then tap on allow option. In similar way, tap on SMS and tap on allow. Then from this way, you can solve the problem of WhatsApp 6-digit not receiving problem. When you enter your phone number and you will automatically receive the 6-digit code, and then you can verify and log in into the WhatsApp. So this was it guys. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any queries related to these problems, then you can comment on the comment section without hesitation. So thank you guys.